everybody, Barber Dave here. Normally I do not do these type of unboxing videos, but I figured this was a special day. Just got it delivered. Yes, it is the Essence by Tedalus, and something else special in here. So I've already taken it out of obviously the mailer, and so we'll open it up. Really nice presentation box. Obviously the instructions on how to load the blades. The box is very, very nice, as you would expect. And then a nice little hidden thing. And then there she is. Smaller than I thought it was going to be, and lighter, but at the same time, wonderful. Just a beautiful razor. The form and function of this razor is nice. The magnet is super tough, so it'll be nice, and I'll load that blade later. So that's pretty nice as well. So very nice box, very nice presentation. And then this is a nice velveteen bag that this came in. As I'm assuming this is stand. This is extremely heavy. I'd say this thing weighs at least a pound, at least, maybe even 2 pounds. So you've got the Tedalus logo. This is the stand. And there's really no instructions on how to put the stand, but it's pretty obvious. It just uses the bottom detente and it just slides over. So that's how it displays and everything else. So, real excited. We will be shaving with this thing in the morning. Thanks for watching.